YouTube, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Don1914, here to bring you another sneaker review. And I want to jump right into the unboxing, the review, and then the on feet because I'm eager to see what this pair looks like. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new videos if you into fits and kicks. And my OGs, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for your support. So let's go ahead and unbox this shoe, man, so we can jump right into it. And I got this pair from Lapstone and Hammer. It's a local retailer out in Philadelphia. I'm in the Delaware area, so it's not too far from me. It's like 30 minutes away from me. I like ordering pairs from Lapstone and Hammer in Philadelphia because it gets to me like within one day. They ship immediately and I'm like right around the corner from them pretty much. So let's go ahead and open this pair. So this pair did sell out on Sneakers app and other retailers. I got lucky once again from me following Sneaker Twitter and Soul Links on X, formerly known as Twitter. They sent out a link for Lapstone and Hammer, or Lapstone and Hammer might have sent it out, and then I was able to cop a pair. So it's funny that this pair comes in this this regular Nike box. So what we got here? Okay, got my receipt from Lapstone and Hammer. Cool. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Got your regular Nike box, nothing special with the box. Nike branding on the back, and then here's your sizing label. And it's crazy because if you read the sizing label, it does say Quick Strike, but we didn't get a special box, so that's weird. So the label reads Nike Air Max 95 OG Quick Strike, black, safety orange. So that's funny because the name that's read in sneakers is totally different from this. So the name that reads on sneakers says black and gold beige. So hopefully I got the right pair, man. Let me check the code, HQ 1973-001. Yeah, so the SKU is the SKU number is the same. So yeah, I don't know why, and it got the message here. It says golden beige, cargo khaki, and old moss. That's the color that's on here. But if you read the box, it just says black, safety orange. That's crazy. So it is what it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Flip lid. One sheet of paper, and then there go the shoes. Nice, simple, nothing wrapped up too tight, nothing like that. And let's check out the inside of the box. And yes, if you do grab this pair, you should get a green sticker in your box as well. I don't see QR. Let's see. Yeah, we do see QR. So right here, let me see if I can show it. So right here, if you look right here on the box, you should see a green quality control stamp. And it actually does say QC passed. So make sure you get that if you're getting off the secondary market. Make sure your box comes just like that. So enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks and go with the left pair. All right, so let me take a gander real quick. Okay. These are not bad. Man, these are not bad at all, actually. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the review of the Air Max 95 Camo. Okay, so let's jump right into the review. Let's start with the outsole. The outsole, you got a combination of that orange, black, and then in the middle you got hits of orange and a Nike Air in black as well. And it doesn't give you the PSIs like some pairs do, so it didn't give you that. So as we move to the upper, you get that combination of black. You got clear air bubbles with an orange air unit in the inside of the bubble. and that's to the back of the heel of the shoe and coming up to the forefoot of the shoe as well in these little sections right there, which it gives it a nice pop. Black midsole. You got leather. You got a combination of like mesh and leather. So the black part that's down below is like leather. Then as you move up to, I guess that's what they were calling that moss colorway, and then that beige, that's where it's like it's almost like a nylon type of feel, if you will. It's like that silky type of material. The orange little swoosh right there on the back of the shoe, outlining that black, that's fire. I love how that hits and pops. Moving to the toe box, you do got a combination of leather and mesh on the toe box right there in black. Moving up to the tongue, you got that 3M hit right there in the middle of the tongue, fire. Black, predominantly black tongue. And then as you get to the top where it says Air Max, you got a combination of black, orange, and then in that silver as well, and the Air Max symbol. And if you look along the side, you got a combination of orange and that silver. Now, I don't think this part is 3M, it could be 3M. You can see it's silver and orange alongside the eyelids right there on that speed lace rope system. Got a combination of orange and black on the eyelets. It's fire. Rope laces, black rope laces. And I don't think they came with extra laces. I don't see any, and I didn't see any in the box as well. Let's go ahead and take them out. You do get shoe paper. And the medial side is just like the lateral side, minus that mini swoosh right there at the top. The back heel, you got another 3M hit with the black Nike Air at the top. That's fire, man. I love how that hits off of that. Yeah, this camo, these are nice, man. You know what's crazy, man? You try to limit your cops for the year, man, and then you cop a shoe, not sure if you're gonna keep it, not really, too enthused about it. Then you open it and see it in hand, and it's like, damn, do I gotta keep another shoe? Man, you gotta be careful in the sneaker game, because you will go broke, man, if you're not careful. Insole, we got an orange insole with black Nike Air. Right there in the insole, you can see right there. Fire. And actually, instead of Nike Air, I'm sorry, it says Nike Air Max insole. It says Nike and then Air Max in black underneath. That's beautiful. And on the back of the tongue, you got your sizing as well on the back of the tongue. So these are fire, man. And the right shoe, nothing different from the left shoe. Everything's the same. Did we get a sizing sticker? No sizing sticker in there, and we don't get one in here as well. So I went with a size 10. I normally go with a size 10 in my Air Max 95s, but here's the right shoe, same as the left shoe. And again, that little hit right there, that swoosh right there that's on the top portion, fire. Man, these go fire, man. I love how, and if you see, underneath how we have that orange hit, I love how it comes up into the midsole as well. It kind of shows a little bit. You get a little hint coming up near the air bubble and air unit right there. So I do like how that looks. That's fire. And then of course, air bubble in the back. These are fire, man. Damn, I'm totally surprised by this pair. So I'm eager to put these on feet right now. Probably wearing for the rest of the day, see how they feel on feet, and we'll go from there. So, in the comment section down below, tell me how you feel about this pair. It came out with a blue pair as well. Actually, it was a purple pair. So this pair and the purple pair came out together. They both sold out. So let me know in the comment section down below, are you feeling this pair better or the purple pair? So let me know in the comment section down below. So, and with that being said, I appreciate all the support. Thank you again for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel to friends and family. And we're gonna hop into this on foot. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rock. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, I'm done one. I'm so what this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.